In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable notifications from apps and other senders on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Start menu or Search menu and type in Settings. As a result, should come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select System on the left panel. On the right side, you want to select Notifications. And where it says Get Notifications from Apps and Other Senders at the top, toggle that on or off depending on your preference. And you can also do it on an individual app level too by just scrolling down and adjusting it for any particular apps that are providing notifications. And it gives you a little illustration of what that notification looks like. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.